Hmm.
This call is now being recorded.
Ma'am, this we have to write in our fair book.
Yes, rough. Just so long back I gave you have to finish it this in the rough air book.
Ma'am, I have finished, so I revise it.
Yes, but अभी रफ बुक में ही लिखोगे आप.
Okay, ma'am.
Nayani
मैम हम
Zainab Abbas Ali is coming in online class. Is she present? Nayani Zainab Abbas Ali, roll number 42. Is she present? Qureshi Samia is present.
Ma'am,
Qureshi, huh?
ma'am, we have to write in rough book
Yes, you have to write.
and then we have to send to Ruby ma'am.
Yes. Makwana Tanvira Banu is present. And Madhara Aina is present. Madhara Aina.
Yes, ma'am.
You have not filled up your inquiry form, right, Madhara Aina?
What, ma'am? Your voice is not coming.
आपने इंक्वायरी फॉर्म अभी तक नहीं भरा, right?
Yes.
Okay, so when are you going to come for that?
મેમ આ ફેર બુકમાં લખવાનું છે કે રફ બુકમાં?
In rough book, you communicate in English, okay? Madhara Aina,
Yes, ma'am.
you have not filled up the inquiry form, right?
Yes.
Okay. See that you do it as soon as possible, okay? And
Okay,
Siddhartha
ma'am.
Rafia is present. Vasaya Kum Fatima is present. Virani Sukun. Virani Sukun is new student, no? Your old,
Virani Sukun is not new student.
she is old student. Virani Sukun, is she present, Rabia? Virani Sakina is new student. Virani Sukun, are you there?
No, she's not there.
Okay. Okay. And Vasaya Kum Fatima Ali Asgar is there? Siddhartha Rafia is also not there, right, Rabia?
Yes.
Qureshi Aksha is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Qureshi Aksha, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Qureshi Aksha, can you listen me? Can you answer me?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha beta, you have not filled up your inquiry form, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So see that as soon as possible you can, okay? And Amdani
Okay.
Ayman, Amdani Ayman, Amdani Ayman is there, Rabia?
No,
Okay.
ma'am, she's not there.
No problems, no problems. If she's not there, no problem. And one more girl I wanted to ask, Hojani Fiza, is she there? Roll number 5.
No.
No issues. Chalo. Number 1. Explain the motions of the earth. Okay? Yes, beta. Read the answer, Rabia. And see that you are learning also with it, okay? The goal to learn this long question answers is that this time, as a class teacher, I'm informing you that you have to write all the subjects exam FA1 in the supplementary, okay? Where long question answers will be also asked.
Ma'am,
Huh.
please repeat one more time. Your voice is
You have to write the long question answers in the supplementary. रचिता मैम has said to give information to you all कि आप लोग को लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आंसर सप्लीमेंट्री में लिखने हैं, ओके?
okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am. तो
Ma'am,
मैम
please.
एग्जाम ऑफलाइन होगी या ऑनलाइन?
दैट विल बी इन्फॉर्म्ड यू, ओके?
Okay,
ओके
ma'am.
मैम.
चलो, सो सी दैट यू आर
मैम
लर्न. हाँ,
मैम अभी से लिखना स्टार्ट करना.
यस. चलो राबिया, रीड बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
So, ma'am, I also write.
Yes.
Okay.
And you all will be
Chapter
giving
number
the test also of these answers, okay?
Ma'am, when today?
Maybe today if time permits, otherwise in the next class, that is on Saturday. Long question answers. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Peter, start.
Yes, ma'am. Chapter number 2, Motions of the Earth. Question answers. Question number 1. Explain the motion of Earth. Like all the other moving elements of the universe, the Earth also moves in two ways. One, it rotates on its own axis, and second, it also revolves around the sun. Thus, the motion of the earth takes place in two ways. However, it is not only the earth that moves. All the elements of the universe, sun, moon, and earth, perform motion.
Very good. So first you will write number one point twice. Like all the other moving elements of the universe, the earth also moves in two ways. Hello, written everyone?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Written? Now next point. One, it rotates on
No,
its
ma'am.
axis, and the second, it revolves around the sun.
Ma'am, we have to draw the sun, earth, and
Yes, yes, of course.
ma'am, we had to draw this.
Yes, of course.
Ma'am, I did not draw.
With the arrow marks.
Ma'am, I thought that we don't have to draw, so I haven't drawn.
You need to draw,
I
Rabia.
haven't drawn.
You can apply a sticky note and stick there, but you have to practice. You have to practice this figure 2.1 motions of the earth. You know why? Because it will be helpful for remembering this answer throughout the life.
Okay, ma'am.
Written?
No, ma'am. It's 2 minutes.
Chalo, Modesa, revise it once.
Yes, ma'am. Explain the motions of the earth. Like all the other moving elements of the universe, the earth also moves in two ways. One, it rotates on its own axis, and second, it also revolves around the sun.
Very good.
Ma'am, we have to write two times all the points.
Yes. And see that you are learning also with it, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Now, third point. Thus, the motion of the earth takes place in two ways. देखो पहला पॉइंट हम स्टोरी बनाते हैं पहला पॉइंट में क्या है अबाउट यूनिवर्स सेकेंड पॉइंट में क्या है रोटेट्स ऑन इट्स ओन एक्सिस एंड सेकेंड इट रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड द सन खाली उसके नाम है रोटेट्स एंड रिवॉल्व थर्ड में क्या है मोशंस ऑफ द अर्थ टेक प्लेस इन टू वेज राइट फोर्थ However, it is only the earth. It is not that only the earth that moves. खाली एक ही planet नहीं है जो move करता है, right? And the last point is all the animals of the universe, sun, moon, and the earth perform motions.
Ma'am,
हाँ बेटा,
we have to write 3 times.
twice I say, 2 times.
What, ma'am?
2 times, twice.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, but I'm writing in Fab.
Done बेटा?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am,
Yes,
done.
ma'am.
चलो. Yes. Who will revise?
Ma'am, Aina.
Yes, I know you can.
Ma'am, which number one?
Yes.
Number one. Explain the motion of Earth. And like all the other moving elements of the universe, the Earth also moves in two ways. One, it rotates on its own axis, and second, it also revolves around the sun. Thus, the motion of the Earth takes place in two ways. However, However, it is not only the Earth that moves. All the elements of the universe, sun, moon, and earth perform motion.
Very good. Chalo, everyone done? Did you draw the figure?
No, ma'am.
Arrow, you have to do the arrows also, okay? Chalo, number 2.
Ma'am, we are still writing.
Okay. Be fast, okay? Finish?
No, ma'am.
Chalo, who will say me without saying?
What, ma'am, the answer?
Yes. Chalo, anyone ready to say without saying?
Ma'am, can I read?
Yeah. Read नहीं करना है, say करना है.
Ma'am, can I say? Aina.
Yes. Okay, right.
Ma'am, only answer.
हाँ.
Like all the other moving elements of the universe, the earth also moves in two ways.
आप रीडिंग कर रहे हो, रीडिंग नहीं करना है.
So, ma'am,
बिना देखे बोलना है. Who is not with the answer?
Ma'am, can I?
मैं बोलूँ मोहते से.
Yes, Madhika sir.
Explain the motions of the earth like all the other planets uh, of the earth uh, uh, of the universe. The earth also moves in two ways. One, it rotates on one axis, and second, it revolves. Uh, uh, Thus, the movement of the earth takes place in two ways. And however, it is not only the earth that moves. All the elements of the universe, like sun, earth, moon, are perform motion.
They perform and the earth perform motion. Very good. Chalo, next question. Write a short note on the rotation of the earth. Okay, now first short note is rotation of the earth and then is the Norway. Okay, yes. The movement of the earth on its own imaginary axis is called rotation of the earth. What it is called? What it is called? It is called rotation of the earth. Just as the top rotates on its own axis, the earth also rotates on its own imaginary axis. How does the earth rotate? On its own imaginary axis. The imaginary axis can be considered perpendicular to the equator. So the 3 points twice. Pehले Rabia, you speak 1 point, 1 point, 3 points, and then write. Chalo Rabia, first 3 points. From here till here. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo beta.
Ma'am, can you slide down a little so that I can read question also? Write a short note on the rotation of Earth. The movement of the Earth on its own imaginary axis is called the rotation of Earth. Just as the top rotates on its own axis, the Earth also rotates on its own imaginary axis. The
Top is
imaginary
saying to
axis can be
Hamado.
considered.
Okay?
Okay. The imaginary axis can be considered perpendicular to the equator.
Very good. Perpendicular at 90 degrees. In your maths you have learned, I guess, right? Chalo, very good. Chalo, Aina, revise the points.
Ma'am, can I?
Be fast.
Ma'am, can I read?
Can I revise? You should ask. Yes, revise better.
Yes, ma'am. Can I revise?
Yes, better.
The movement of the earth on its rotation of earth. Just as the top rotates on its own axis, the earth also rotates on its own imaginary axis. The imaginary axis can be considered perpendicular to the equator.
Yes. Perpendicular means 90 degree, and top rotates. पहले में क्या है? movement of the earth, rotation की definition. Then in the second point, top का example, top એટલે ભમરડો, right? And in third one, imaginary axis can be considered as perpendicular. Third में perpendicular, second में first में movement, second point is top, and third is perpendicular. What is in first point, beta? Movement. Second is top, and the
Ma'am,
third
your
is
voice is breaking.
perpendicular. Okay. चलो. What keywords you to remember, Rabia?
Ma'am, can I Madesa?
हाँ मौदेसा से.
First is movement, second is top, and third is perpendicular.
Very good. चलो. What are the three words? Keywords, Rabia?
Movement,
Hmm? Top.
Movement of perpendicular.
Very good. चलो. Anyone else will read the first three lines?
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, you can.
The movement The movement of the Earth on its own imaginary axis is called the rotation of Earth. Just as the top rotates on its own axis, the Earth also rotates on its own imaginary axis. The imaginary axis can be considered perpendicular to the equator.
Yes, very good. Written everyone. Now the third point, fourth point. What is the fourth point? What is the fourth point?
Ma'am, can
The
I?
Earth
Evaluate with a speed of 1006 seconds.
Very good. Third point you have to remember the speed. What you have to remember? The speed,
Speed.
and the other word you have to remember 24
R.
hours to complete one rotation. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, write it twice. The earth rotates written beta.
No, ma'am.
Day and night are possible due to the rotation of the earth. The part of the earth which faces the sun observes day, while the one on the side observes night. Written beta?
Ma'am.
વાર લગાડો છો તમે લોકો? હા, ચલો
Ma'am,
રાબિયા રિવાઇઝ.
return. Ma'am,
હા, રાબિયા રિવાઇઝ.
ma'am, I was saying that. Okay. The Earth rotates with a speed of 1670 km per hour. With this speed, it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Hence, one, hence, our one day is of 24 hours. Day and night are possible only due to the rotation of Earth.
વેરી
The
ગુડ,
part of the Earth which faces the sun observes day, while the one on the other side observes night.
વેરી ગુડ, વેરી ગુડ. ચલો રિટર્ન એવરીવન.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
હા બેટા બોલો ને.
ma'am, I was saying that is there any trick to remember that I remember rotation and revolution, but I forgot that rotation is moving around sun or moving on its own axis.
Yes, there is a trick. You see here carefully. This is the sun in the center.
Yes,
ओके, आपको एक ही बात याद रखनी है. ओके, क्या याद रखना है? रिवॉल्यूशन. ओके, रिवॉल्यूशन एंड क्षण के साथ क्षण आपको याद रखना है. क्षण. ओके, रिवॉल्यूशन के साथ ओ एन लास्ट में ओ एन याद रखવાનું છે. ઓકે, કેમ ઓ એન? સીઝન. બોલતો રાવ્યા.
season,
ઓકે, શું આવ્યું પાછળ?
ON.
ઓકે, જો રોટેશનમાં ઓ એન આવે જ છે, પણ અહીંયા એક જ સાથે તારે યાદ રાખવાનું છે, રિવોલ્યુશન સાથે ઓ એન. ઓકે, સીઝન, revolution. So seasons are caused because of revolution.
Yes,
Okay, and the seasons are caused because of 1 year, 365 days.
yes,
Okay, so that is in elliptical shape હોય તો seasons બને.
yes,
Understood? So now when you remember revolution, rotation याद रह जाएगा.
yes,
हाँ मैम रोटेशन याद रह जाएगा.
હે ને? અને જો બીજું એક હિન્ટ આપું, જો રોટેશન યાદ રાખો ને તો ડિફરન્ટ સેશન્સ યાદ રાખવાના. બોલ રોટેશન અને સેશન્સ. બોલ.
rotation,
રોટેશન
session.
એન્ડ
સેશન્સ એટલે કે એક એક આપણે સેશન્સ હોય, ફર્સ્ટ સેશનમાં ગર્લ્સ આવે, સેકન્ડ સેશનમાં બોયઝ આવે, એમ. તો 24 hours નું એક સેશન થાય.
Yes,
અન્ડરસ્ટુડ?
યસ મેમ.
રોટેશનમાં સેશન્સ યાદ રાખવાનું. તો રોટેશન કેટલા hours નું હોય? 24 hours નું.
24.
ફર્સ્ટ સેશનમાં ગર્લ્સ, સેકન્ડ સેશનમાં બોયઝ, એટલે 24 hours થઈ ગયા.
યસ મેમ.
yes.
અન્ડરસ્ટુડ? બોલતો હવે જોયા વગર.
Revolution, season, and elliptical shape, and rotation.